Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a basic information about the data analytics world, how you can be able to go into data analytics and also succeed as a person. All right, so if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and click the like button so that you always get all the information I'm going to be sharing in this YouTube channel. And also be reminded, I've made a lot of videos on Excel, introduction to Excel, how you can use Excel, the formulas and all that. Just check the link, the videos that we have in the playlist. You're going to see a whole lot of things that are going to help you to navigate through the data analytics world. Now, pay attention to this. I'm going to say a few things that are going to help you to become a data analyst. So let's go. Now, one of the things that is also important, or that's very, very important for you to become a data analyst, is number one, decision making. You have to decide if that's what you want to do. Are you sure that is what you want to become? If that's what you want to become, then the number two is that you must count your costs. Know the things that is going to cost you to become a data analyst. All right. A data analyst is someone who analyzes data and brings out information, brings out things that is going to help in data decision making, helping company to grow, helping company to avoid issues. All right, and helping you personally to avoid a lot of issues yourself. All right. I remember when I started in data analytics, well, there's something that happened. I decided to take, inventory about my account, my personal spending and income that was coming in. So I did it for 4 months. I realized when I did that if I continue the way I'm doing, I will go bankruptcy. Right. So it helps me to reduce my spending on transportation, reduce my spending on saving, on feeding, reduce my spending on outdoor activities, and most importantly, increase my savings and buying stocks and everything. So you see, data analytics is life. It's life on its own. So when you have decided to do that, become a data analyst. Number two, like I said, you are going to count the costs. What is it going to cost you? How many hours are you willing to dedicate to that? How many, what are the videos? What are the things you need to watch? What are the things you need to know? What are the people that you need to mingle with and all that? You need to find it out. Now let's go to number three. Number three is for you to start. Right? You have realized where you are going to get the courses. You can go for Google Data Analytics professional course, certificate course. You can go for that. You can go to Udemy. You can pay somebody to teach you. You can come here on YouTube because there are a lot of lessons here, right, to learn from YouTube, and you keep learning, right? Keep growing, keep growing. Give yourself time to grow. Give yourself time to learn. And number four, start what we call networking. Go on LinkedIn, go on, join groups, right, that are talking about data analysis, and be able to learn from there. Make connections with people, because these days, most of the times, a lot of people get jobs in data analytics by recommendation. Do you get that? So it is not just about you submitting CV here and there, here and there, here and there. No, it has to do with who knows you, who understands what you're doing. Are you following the point now? So the more you are networking with people, the more people can recommend you as somebody that they know. Okay, so keep learning, keep growing. And what are the tools you need to pay attention to? Number one, you need to pay attention to Excel. Excel is very, very important in the data analytics world. You learn everything about Excel, how you can manipulate, the formulas, all the things that are important in Excel. Learn all of them. Learn how you can build dashboard with Excel. Learn how to use DAS in Excel and a lot of other things. Then you can learn SQL. It's just very, very simple things you can learn. All right. You can learn subquery. Then you can learn a programming language. The most prominent programming language right now is Python. So you can learn Python. All right. All videos are on YouTube. You can learn a lot of them. Then another one you also learn is you learn a business intelligence tool. There are two basic ones. You can learn Power BI, you can learn Tableau. Whichever one you want to learn, you then learn it. Then after that, you go to the soft skills. The soft skills is how to communicate with people, how to do more with people, how to understand the terrain. What are the things that people, because for people to employ, it's not just that you know all those skills. It has to do with how you interact with people, how you're able to share your view with people. Do you get the point now? So all these things are the things that you are going to pay attention to. And the more you do them, the more you become better. Lastly, give yourself time to grow. Give yourself time to become better. Okay? I hope this video made a lot of sense to you. If you like the video, please make sure you like it, comment, and share so that people will always see it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post videos like this, then you are able to follow. I post video once every week so that you can always learn from it and help a lot of persons. Ciao, bye for now.